Hi. To start with the recipe, first, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup of uncooked white rice and toast it lightly for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, pour in 2 cups of water, a pinch of kosher salt, the zest from 1 lime, and the juice from 1 to 2 limes. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender and fluffy. This step infuses the rice with a bright, citrusy flavor that's perfect for burritos. Next, heat another tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 diced bell peppers, 1 diced Poblano pepper, and 1 medium diced red onion. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are softened and slightly caramelized. Then, sprinkle in 1 to 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning and stir well to coat everything evenly. This mix adds a smoky, savory depth to the burrito filling. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, combine 2 15.5-ounce cans of drained and rinsed black beans with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 2 tablespoons of adobo sauce. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the beans are heated through and the flavors meld together. The adobo sauce gives the beans a rich, slightly spicy kick that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients. Now, let's make the avocado sauce. In a blender or food processor, combine 2 ripe avocados, half a cup of fresh cilantro, half a cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1 minced jalapeno, 2 minced garlic cloves, the juice from 1 lime, and a pinch of kosher salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. This sauce is tangy, fresh, and adds a cooling contrast to the spiced filling. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Once all the components are ready, warm 4 to 6 burrito-size flour tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave for about 20 seconds to make them pliable. Lay each tortilla flat and layer on a generous scoop of the cooked rice, followed by the sautéed peppers and onions, the seasoned black beans, and a drizzle of the avocado sauce. Be careful not to overfill, or it'll be tricky to roll. To fold the burritos, start by folding the sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it tightly from the bottom up, tucking in the filling as you go. This technique ensures the burrito holds together nicely. If you want a little extra texture, you can optionally roast the burritos in a hot skillet for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're lightly browned and crispy. This step is optional, but adds a delicious crunch.
And that's it.
You've got yourself a flavorful, hearty vegetarian burrito that's packed with fresh ingredients and bold flavors. Serve them whole, or slice them in half to show off all the layers inside. Enjoy! And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.